just heading up the trail here for day 10, I think. Snow wasn't great yesterday from all the rain, but we're gonna give it another whirl. The one guy here brought a crazy carpet, so we're gonna have some fun on the hill today.
You gonna go up there and film them?
Yeah. I'll come up there and film it if you want to hit it again. That was big. Nice line. Nice line, dude.
Yeah, right now.
Should have went first overall 2019. Better hope Taylor Swift don't see this.
Heads up!
That's pretty good aim.
We would have got that as a dome, you'd be concussed.
We'll just pack it up real good.
Just straight ice.
He's probably just making them in ice balls up there right now. Yep.
That didn't look that great. Boo-hoo! Kyler should have went first. Maybe we could plant the trail.
No, it's too sticky.
It's too grippy. Oh, go walk back up there.
Okay. When I was putting my shovel away, I had my helmet off. A chunk of ice actually hit my head. Hurt though.
Well, that still got to be hard.
Like it was like, felt like someone threw a rock at the top of my head. What's that?
That's not a good place to park.
No, not the greatest, eh?
Qualifier hell. See if everyone can make it up. Do your reentry, Matt. Air 'em out, baby. Get line.
Did you like the Saberman drag down?
Oh yeah, that was nice.
I think I found the drainage that you guys went in. You guys went way down to the bottom and now you can't get back up or what? No, Tyson's just stuck. We're facing downhill. We're pretty far up here. So you should be able to hear me if I yell, so can you just make sure I don't go down the wrong drainage, but I'm pretty sure because there's 2 tracks. Kind of side hills in at the top and then you must cut down and over maybe?
Tyson, you got your phone handy?
Oh, that came through with fun.
I don't. I think Tyson might.
Okay, well, could one of you go to your phone and go on Google Maps and find it, like pin yourself and get a coordinate? If you give me that, I can put a flag and then we can come and find you.
Grab the coordinate off my flag.
Yeah, he's got a 7
That's some thinking. That's why we ride with the engineers of this world.
Holy fuck.
We found these guys.
I need some nicotine.
So we just found these guys. They were stuck in the drainage. We couldn't find them, so I got them to call out the coordinates. And we were able to put a pin and find them, so that's good. We're making our way down now, and we're gonna head back to the cabin because it's getting late. Good day, lots of stocks with it for everyone. The snow's pretty heavy, but we're making the most of it, and yeah, everyone's having a good time out here. Another successful day. Oh yeah.
That's the